Hi Brandon. Okay, now I turn on the bundle. And the calibration doesn't work. So I try to open the Fanatec control panel. Okay, and no device found. But if I take off the steering wheel, the bundle, the PC can recognize the bundle. Just one moment, I take off the steering wheel. Okay, now there is a yellow and blue light alternate. So I switch off and switch on. There is a calibration in this moment, and the PC and the control panel recognize the bundle, the wheelbase, the pedals, and the shifter. But if I put on the steering wheel, the bundle doesn't work.